While I'm one of those cruisers that typically only books balconies and above, I will book other accommodations if the price is right. This was the case when I booked my cruise on Symphony of the Seas. Royal Caribbean had priced the Central Park View Stateroom Category 1S, being renamed 2S starting May 2019, a few $100s less than a standard balcony, and that's all it took to get me to book. At first, I was concerned about not having a view of the ocean, but I've cruised so many times I think I know what water looks like by now. The first thing that struck me about room 9201, located midship on deck 9, was its size. At 191 square feet, it is larger than the inside space of a balcony stateroom on Symphony of the Seas. Also, the placement of the bathroom tucked almost behind the entry door, and the sofa partially recessed into the wall, provided ample floor space to move around. I requested to have the sofa turned into a single bed, so that left more room to reach the large recessed bay window. It's a nice spot to read a book, watch movies or play games on a tablet, and watch the people walking along the boardwalk. The room features a queen-size bed that can be split into two twins, with a power outlet on the right side, large flat-screen TV, ample closet space for hanging garments and shelves, and electronic safe, desk with chair, 3 US power and 2 USB outlets, and a mini fridge. There is also a full-length mirror next to the door. The well-appointed and laid-out bathroom features the toilet, large sink, shelving, and a good-sized shower with rounded glass door. I'd book this room again for the right price. Many times, it is possible to upgrade to the Central Park balcony category for just a little more. This same room is also available on other Oasis-class ships, Oasis of the Seas, Allure of the Seas, and Harmony of the Seas.